Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Philips Beard Trimmer 1000 series BT1232/15. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. There you go. So the first thing that we have over here are a couple of guides. So this is the international warranty card, and I think this is a manual right over here. Moving on, we have a couple of combs, adjustment combs right over here. Finally, we have our main unit. So there's the Philips 1000 series beard trimmer right over here. And as you can see, it's of a pretty cool looking blue and black color when you look at it. And you can see that it has a pretty ergonomical design too. There's the power button right over here. There you go. Moving on, right below it you'll find an LED indicator, and at the bottom you'll find the charging port, and it's a type B USB charging port right over here. So as you can see, the company, they have provided you with 3 adjustment combs. So basically I'll just show you how to attach one of them, and you can attach any one of these 3 based on your requirement. So all you need to do is you need to attach it like this from the top, and you need to clip it from the bottom, just like that. So lastly, in the box you will find a USB cable as well. There you go. So as you can see, it's a B-type USB cable, to support you with the charging. Oh, and finally we have one more thing over here. So there is a cleaning brush to help you with the cleaning. So that's all folks. This is all about Philips 1000 series BT1232/15. Thank you so much for watching the video.